I did a program in Thailand. It was an organization that I did. About 100 people, hindi naman nila sinabi sa akin na hindi sila marunong mag-English. So sabi ko, may problema tayo dyan. Sabi sa akin ng organizer, don't worry, we have an interpreter for you. Literal interpreter, first time ko naka-experience. So sabi ko, so take a deep breath. Tapos di ko naintindihan, sinabi niya parang, hi, kalek-lek. Okay. And then what I did was, sabi ko, take a deep breath. May kamay din siya. Sabi niya, hi, kalek-lek. Sabi ko, totoo kaya ito? Gagayahin niya kaya lahat ng ginawa ko? So inulit ko ulit. So sabi ko, take a deep breath. Sabi niya, hi, kalek-lek. Sabi, pwede. And when I would talk, hindi tatawa yung audience. Kasi i-interpret muna niya. 2 minutes later, dun sila tatawa. Sabi ko, ayos to ah. Tapos sabi ko, imagine yourself getting smaller and smaller. Sabi niya, lek, 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 lek. Sabi ko, niloloko yata ako nito ah. Until I remember, you change the tone, you change the meaning.